So, nandito naman tayo sa panibago nating topic na managing system maintenance dito. So, ayan, sa cybersecurity fundamentals, managing system maintenance tools. So, nandito siya. So, start na natin. Introduction. Welcome to Management System Maintenance Tools Practice Lab. So, ito magiging guidance natin, and this is our virtual machine kung saan natin gagawin actual. So, in this module, you will complete the following exercise. Exercise 1, Managing System Maintenance Tools. After completing this lab, you will be able to use Clean Manager's apconfig for DNS cat and defrag and chkdsk. Lab duration is 45 minutes. So, ito daw gagamitin natin sa lab topology. Isang domain controller at 3 domain member. So, exercise 1, managing system maintenance tools. Bali, ito yung mga gagawin natin dyan. Ayan. Ito yung mga Windows-based network scanning tools are available. Some of the key tools are IDServe, CorePorts, and Map, MyLAN Viewer, NetViewer, AMAP, NetScan Tools, ProLANs, Surveyor, Friendly Finger, and Global Network Inventory. So, ayun nga. Ito daw ang gagamitin natin. FlatDC01, ito. Then, FlatWin 101. So, task 1. Use Clean Manager. Windows has this cleaning tool known as a Clean Manager. Its primary job is to clean and temporary files and internet cache from the web browser. So, step 1, gamitin daw natin FlatWin 101. So, ito yun. So, meron pa siyang backup ng makaraang ginawang activity. So, after nyan, type here Clean Manager. Clean Manager. Clean mrg Clean Manager. This, ayun na pala yun. Ito, this cleanup. This, yan. Then, this dialog box is displayed. It searches for the files that can be cleaned up for system. Then, under this cleanup C window tab, select all the checkbox beside. Tignan natin. Ayun, silang talaga. That have 0 bytes. To right click them. Okay, click OK. Oops, nawala. Ayun. Then, after OK, step 5, under this cleanup dialog box, click delete files. Delete files. Delete files. Saan yung delete files? Delete files. View files lang to nakalagay. I-click down natin yung 0 bytes. Okay, ito 0 bytes. 0 bytes. And yan 0 bytes pati DirectX. Okay, after that is okay. Tapos delete files. Delete files. Then lalabas daw to. Then paglabas niyan, processing daw siya is complete. This cleanup close automatically. Oops, na-close na siya. You are now back on the desktop. So, ganun lang din pala siya kasimple, no? Task 2, use ipconfig for DNS cache. Step 1, connect daw tayo sa FlatWin 101. Connect daw tayo sa FlatWin 101. Then, step 2, punta tayo sa CMD. From a search result, search command prompt. Yan na nga, lumabas na nga. Then, type the following. IP config config pig, wala na ata, space pa ba? O space, then all, and enter. Then pag enter, notice the output of the command, the DNS server IP address is displayed. If a DNS server IP address is not defined, then the system will not be able to resolve domain names. However, the same domains can be reached by their IP addresses. In this static IP configuration, you have defined the DNS IP address in a DHCP based automatically IP address configuration. So, step 5, to clear the screen, type the following command. cls, oops, ayun nawala, press enter. To view content of the DNS resolver cache, ipconfig dash space dash display DNS, then enter. Ayun. So, step 6, notice that the output display bar website name and IP address from DNS resolver cache. Ito daw yun. Nagsilabasan. Ayan. So, a regular user, you may never have to execute the command. However, the command can be handy if you need to perform a name resolution troubleshooting. So, step 7 is purge the DNS resolver cache. ipconfig flash DNS. Ayan, successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. Yun, na ano na siya. So, successfully nga siya, purge successfully. So, purging the resolver cache means deleting its content. It is important to note that DNS resolver caches also contains the records from host file from local system. So, titignan daw ulit natin, display DNS, and oops, ayun. Enter, then notice that DNS resolver cache has been purged. And there are some new entries. The older entries is no longer. Sabihin, ayun, no records of type AA. Ayan. Then, step 10, notice that the DNS resolver cache has been purged. And are some entries are older no exist. Then, exit. Oops, kusa na siya. Then, enter. Then, you are now back on the Windows desktop. Wait lang, post natin. Okay, continue. You are now back in the Windows desktop. So, ito naman, task 3, use this defrag. So, when you move or delete files on a Windows system, the hard drives become fragmented, which can slow down the system. The disk fragmented source when the files are added, modified, and deleted from hard drive regularly. A file is generally saved on a contiguous space. However, when a file is deleted, its space is left empty in the hard drive. When the file of larger or smaller size is written in the hard drive, it doesn't fit into the space of previous file. You will either have some free space, or in the case of larger file, it will consume the entire space and also write into the next free space. So, step 1, connect the tayo sa Plugin 101, ito, and type the disk defrag. Parang nagawa ko na to, and optimize yan. The optimized drives display, click optimize. Ito, nag-optimize agad siya. Then, notice that the optimization is complete in a few seconds. Mabilis lang. Then, since there are hardly any data removed, delete from the click close agad. Then use chkdsk. Hmm, check this or check utility is a handy tool when it comes to fixing boot or hard drives issues. It can be run from the graphical user interface or a command prompt. Bad sector, these are sector on the hard drive that cannot be read or written on. Lost cluster is this a piece of data in the hard drive that doesn't not belong to a file. And cross-link files is the where the contents of a file is clustered or overwritten by another file. It can be also fix boot errors, some of the boot errors that it can fix. Blue screen, ayun, ito maganda to. Blue screen, error reading boot and inaccessible boot device. So, step 1, CMD, punta tayo CMD. CMD. Kasi, ito pwede makatulong sa akin to kasi laging nag-blue screen tong laptop ng hiraman ko. So, from the search result, CMD command prompt, then pag-open, check this, chk, dsk, C, ito yung check natin na drive, F, R, X, enter. Note the following parameters were used in the command prompt shown above. F will attempt to fix an error that is found. Will attempt to find the bad sector and recover them. X will first double dismount before scanning. Okay. Enter natin. Then, notice that you get message. Lagay daw natin malaking Y. So, enter ulit. This volume will be checked the next time the system restart. Okay, restart. Ayun, restart daw. Notice that you get information. System restart. Exit daw muna natin. Exit. Then, enter. And you are now back on the Windows desktop. Okay. File Explorer. Punta tayo File Explorer. Then, after that is this PC. Right click, local DC. I expand this PC. Then, right click, local DC. Local DC, select properties. General tab is display default. Click Tools tab. Tools tab. Then on the Tools tab, error checking. Click check. Then scan drive. Scan drive. Oops, yan. Hintayin daw muna natin. Check in progress. Then pag daw it display a message that no errors were found. Yan, no errors has found. Okay, so click OK to close the local DC properties. Okay. Okay. Yan, close the File Explorer window. Close na daw natin. So, next. Review. Well done. You have completed the Managing System Maintenance Tool Practice Lab. Summary Exercise 1. Managing System Maintenance Tools. You should now be able to use Clean Manager using configure this fragment and check this. Ayun lang. Next topic na ulit tayo. Thank you.